Health benefits and types of winter squash. There are some types of winter squash boost your daily routine. Delicata squash has a sweet and nutty flavor, is a good source of fiber, vitamins A and C, potassium, and manganese. It is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against disease. Acorn squash contains potassium, a mineral that can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Butternut squash contains antioxidants, including beta-carotene, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Hubbard squash is low in calories, with only 30 to 40 calories per cup. This makes it a great option for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or lose weight. Spaghetti squash is a great option for those with gluten sensitivities or those following a gluten-free diet, as it is a naturally gluten-free vegetable. Turban squash can be roasted, baked, boiled, mashed,